That's right. Correct. Hey guys, how you doing? What's up, everybody?
How we doing?
Welcome to the live stream. Yay! We don't want that. That's pretty funny though. I don't either. What does it say?
It just says it's
view deleted message. I don't want to view delete now. Yeah. Everybody want to see what the Russian message is?
That's funny.
We don't need to see no Russian message up in here. We need to get to home on a hitch. We're doing our own meetup in Savannah in October.
So we've never done, not even like a meetup in a restaurant
or anything,
or wherever. We've never met up with people as a planned thing. We've met a few of our people, such as Steve Assay, which was just kind of chance and meant
that was cool.
I suppose. But so we're go big or go home, right?
Right.
We are going to do a retreat, like a little weekend, a little 3-day weekend, for us all to camp and hang out together and
have a really awesome time. We are doing the Home on the Hitch HOOTENANNY.
So we've named it a HOOTENANNY in case you don't understand our southern language. A HOOTENANNY is just a good time, a gathering of friends and family. Thomas has a food needs to go along with it.
Oh.
Don't run.
It's going to be... We're going to have like this, or
we have
or something. I don't know.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
Thomas is a nut.
We are going to have a good time.
So, because the majority of you are on the East Coast that have shown interest in wanting to do this, we are going to do Savannah.
Yep.
Savannah, Georgia.
At Creek Fire RV Resort.
Yes.
And
it's going to be October 13th through the 16th.
That's correct.
So that's a Thursday through Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
We have 25 sites reserved as of now.
Right.
We figured that
could get more if we needed to.
We can certainly do more. They're pull-through sites.
Right. They're all concrete level pull-through sites. I think 75 feet long.
Right. It's going to be in phase 2.
Right. I think it's sites number 115 through 139. Basically, you can call or email the resort if you want to go to make your reservation there.
You will need to contact them through the rallies
department.
So when you dial the phone number, which is
we'll show it to you up here on the website in a minute.
Or you can email them directly at the rallies.
And all this information is up on our website. And we'll show you that here in just a second. They require a 50% deposit on the sites, but I think there's a 10% discount for like Good Sam's or military first responders, stuff like that.
If you don't have an RV, or maybe you want to rent one, if you're new to the RV world, that's a great way to introduce yourself.
Oh, we're going to have an amazing time.
But they have some cabins available. They have 7 cabins. 5 of them sleep up to 6 people, and 2 of them up to 8 people. And they said 3 of them are pet friendly. I don't know which 3.
I'll fit in just fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are going to do a rally package.
Right.
That you'll be able to purchase the tickets for that on our website.
And basically what that's going to...
And, we're trying to keep it pretty low-key.
Low-key. So what if, the rally tickets are going to be $60 a piece per person. That's going to come with a rally sticker, a rally t-shirt.
1 meal catered.
Helps us offset the cost of the catered meal and the building rental, because we have to rent the rally building
for the time
each day.
And we're going to do a campfire with s'mores.
Yeah, we're going to do they have a huge fire pit there. Let's pull up the website here. Let me see if I can. If you go to our website, which is homeonhitch.com, and right there you can click on the 2022 HOOTENANNY. You'll find out all the information. That little image there to the top right, at the top right, is actually the rally sticker. so that's pretty cool. I'm the one with the pink hat and the guitar.
Because you're manly.
Right. I'm secure. So there's a link to the resort. There is the email address that you can email them to make your reservation, or there is the telephone number.
Right. So you're going to want to make sure that you tell them that you're there for the Home on the Hitch rally.
Yeah, and you have to say.
You can say Hootenanny.
You have to say Hootenanny rally.
Because they really didn't understand.
So we called. We're like, okay, we want to do this, blah, blah, blah. And we're like, okay, well, let's book it. And they're like, what's your event called? And we're like, it's a Hootenanny. And she's like, it's a hoot and what? So we're like, yes, you're too young. But so you need to make your reservations by July the 13th, 2022. Because 90 days out is as long as they will hold the rally sites, which is all of our sites together.
So if you decide to book after July the 13th, it's not a problem. You'll just have to get
you might be somewhere else in the park. But if good Lord willing, we have a good response and we want to, because we're really looking forward to this.
We can reserve up to 75.
Yeah, we can reserve up to 75 spaces. I don't think we'll get there, but I hope with the time frame that we have between now and then that we can get a whole bunch of people down there just to go and have a really good time. I can't wait, man. It's going to be so much fun.
All right. So after they make the reservations.
So after they make your reservations, you can go down below that. And the tickets to buy are below that. You click the link, and it's going to take you over to Eventbrite. Gives you all the information about the tickets, the dates of the event, the address, all that kind of stuff. When you buy the tickets, it's going to ask for the name of each attendee, as well as for your t-shirt size and if you have any food allergies. So we can kind of work that out when we're trying to figure out catered food and things like that. So we are super excited about it, and we don't really have the schedule down as far as what we're going to do, but there's going to be planned activities and times for things on every each day.
And with your ticket, you're included in all of that. Everything. We would ask for you that after you make your reservation, if you would please email us.
Well, we'll get If you buy a ticket, we'll get an email.
Right. But
if you don't want a shirt and you don't want a sticker or anything like that, and then send us an email and let us know that you reserved your site, just so we have a head count and we know who's coming.
Right.
Because don't feel like you have to.
We want you to still be a part of it.
Yeah. Don't feel like you have to buy a ticket. That's just for the people that want the rally shirts and the stickers and to come in and use the rally building and stuff like that. That just helps us offset the cost, because that stuff's kind of expensive.
Right. The campfire with s'mores.
Yes. The Lazy River Raft race.
Yes, the pool will be open and the hot tub.
Yeah.
The Lazy River is only open until 8 though. That's what the website says now, but I'm sure that.
We can run a race.
Right.
With pink floaties.
So we'll do a catered meal also. Maybe wine tasting.
Or
River Street shopping.
We got to do something like
fountains. I don't know how many fountains they have in Savannah, but it's quite a few.
Right. There's a lot to experience in Savannah. So there's a lot to see there and a lot to do. And like River Street is really cool. I think we may try to do the Savannah Bee Company is down there. We may try to do a mead tasting. We did one.
They pair it with honey also.
Right.
So that's really good.
Yeah.
But we can do some shopping on the river walk. We can.
There's so much stuff. I know that we want to do, like I said, the ghost tour. We're going to do.
So anyway, if you want to join our community tab, then we'll be doing polls on things. As far as what kind of tours we want to do, where we want to eat, that sort of thing. So. You would definitely. What are you doing? I'm not a cowboy with a beard. Dear God. Oh, I'm a mouse. Okay. Y'all are a mess. All right. So your inner Southern belle is going to appear. That's funny. I don't think mine ever goes away.
I'm trying to get like the video. Like my
oh my gosh.
video.
Just do it for me because I have to put up with this, okay?
Like, that's a hootenanny. I don't know.
Oh, goodness.
Hootenanny.
So you have until July 13th to book your site through Creekfire.
Yep.
You need to call them or email them, and you want to choose the rallies option.
Mm-hmm.
So because you have to book through the rallies and tell them that you're with the Home on the Hitch.
You gotta go, hootenanny.
Oh yeah, they're going to be so tired of that.
They are. We're gonna have a hootenanny call that we're gonna.
Oh, we could have a hootenanny calling contest.
No, what is that? Is that a hootenanny? Is that a thing?
Well, what did I? I'm not gonna repeat what I said earlier.
No, don't say that.
So, I don't. So when you call, tell them that you're with the Home on the Hitch rally or the Home on the Hitch hootenanny, and they will put you in one of the 25 reserved pull-through RV sites.
Yep.
Unless we need more, which that won't be a problem either.
Yeah.
But,
and then we got rally tickets to buy.
Right. So when you call to book your site, you have to put 50% down. Though they do offer a 10% discount to military, first responders, and Good Sam's members. If you don't have an RV, they have cabins.
Yep.
They have 5 cabins to rent.
And then sometime between now and then, you will need to purchase your rally ticket,
which is $60 per
T-shirts,
person.
stickers, meals, rally building, and
more.
This.
There'll be more. And all that.
And all that, and a bag of chips.
Oh, I don't know. They might.
So, Dennis, we are still kind of tossing that around. Here's what we want to do. We are going to do something. I don't know if it's going to be for just say the Savannah community. What we really were talking about doing was, and there may be an opportunity to get together as a group and do that with this organization, but really we want to do something, and it may end up just being a monetary donation, some items that we may raffle off, but I think that we really want to give back to those who provide this opportunity to us
who serve
first place
for us to allow us to reimagine our American dream.
So we want to work with the Wounded Warrior Project and
chocolate cake.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to come up with something. I was thinking I do a lot of woodwork and stuff like that, so I'm going to make a set of.
Don't say it. We're going to do some things that we're going to do a raffle for.
Yeah.
So you can purchase a ticket to win, and that would go towards towards the Wounded.
Right. It will be, and you can buy a raffle ticket for $5, or if you want $50. It doesn't matter.
Buy as many tickets as you want.
That's what it's going towards. So, that's what it's going to go for.
So yeah, but we'll give you more information on that as it comes about. So tonight was really just about putting out the information about how to book, when it's going to be, and how to buy your tickets. So all of that is on our website.
We're going to have so much fun, and it's just such a good time, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and you won't be sorry.
Yeah, and we'll be talking about it a lot.
Yes.
So make sure you join the community tab. Just tune in for our live streams, and make every moment count.
That's
watch
it.
our videos,
guys. We are so very proud that you were here, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.